In a village when we go, we want to see this cropping pattern. Cropping pattern means this relative share of different crops grown by the farmers in that village in a particular year. In the 70s, 80s or this earlier in the literature, myth is that one farmers are sticking to a particular crop, they are not changing over time. But recently, as we have been able to see that one, farmers are changing rapidly their cropping pattern, and those changes are very much visible. For example, a cotton growing village which are a century old, having this in Akola region of Maharashtra, they have been rapidly switching from cotton to this soybean based cultivation. The farmers of this Aropalli village in Mahabubnagar district of Telangana, who were traditionally growing those sorghum and millet and other cereal crops and also the castor crops, now they have switched to this BT cotton because those gives them the higher profit. And then we have seen that in some other Bangladesh villages which were flood prone or flood affected villages, they were growing rice crops, they have been switched from this crop to the fish cultivation. So, these rapid changes which we are observing in the villages, those relates to 5 factors of having that one. First, to have that new technologies and new opportunities. They would like to have that one that supported also with those market infrastructure and connectivity to the markets. Those opportunities to give their inputs that one, because fish cannot be grown if there is no fingerling, cotton cannot be grown if there is not BT cotton seed available to them. The market is providing them that opportunity. Other is that government some policy support which has been taken place, those have been benefiting this. So, what we could see in the villages that farmers are ready to take new opportunities, new initiatives if those provide them higher level of profit, and therefore, the researchers, particularly agriculture researchers, have this new scope now to provide new opportunities, new options in the form of new varieties, new hybrids. And the policy makers has chance to facilitate that process through giving them the market linkage through this enabling policies, market linkage through this road and market linkage through this accessibility, as well as providing them agricultural credit support.